Hello, everyone. Um, I decided to do a video tonight. I was shocked today. The stock market hit an all-time high, and the tech stocks like Nvidia just went through the roof. Microsoft was at an all-time high or close to it. Um, yeah, some people might think I'm crazy saying this, and I put one link in this video. Is deflation coming? Okay, you got to look at everything that's been going on in this country. Deflation is coming. One reason why I'm saying this, okay, I think gold and silver is a good investment, but I predict when the economy goes bust, we're going to see deflation and we're going to see gold and silver drop big time. And the reason I say that is because it's happened before. The times it's happened before is in 1814 to 1830. During this time, prices fell 50% over the deflationary years. From 1864 to 1897, prices dropped 65%. From 1929 to 1933, the prices fell over 4 years by 31%. Is it smart to invest in gold during a period of deflation? That's my whole point. I think everybody wants to buy gold and silver now, but I think the price is really going to drop. Okay, you got to look at what's happening in the economy. Okay, history repeats itself. You look at what happened in the past, how from 1864 to 1897, the prices sank 65%, even though gold's purchasing power rose by 40%. And from 29 to 33, the prices fell 31%, but the purchasing power increased 44%. It comes down to what you have to pay for it. Walmart is expecting deflation in 2024. The supermarket chain CEO Doug McMillon said this on November 17th. We may see grocery and consumables start to deflate in the coming weeks and months. Even though I expect we're going to see a little more inflation with what's going on in the Middle East. But you got to look at what happened in the history of this country. Okay, Goldman Sachs says 2024 outlook that the hard part of the inflation fight looks like it's over. Americans should expect more of a slowing price called deflation. In other words, inflation will continue cooling off over time. That's different from deflation or staying drop in prices. And what causes deflation? Okay, the stock market is eventually going to crash, like Donald Trump said. When the stock market crashes, there's indicators. What's going on right now is the same thing that happened in 2008 and 1929. Give an example. One company, Macy's, said they're going to lay off 3% of the workers. When Ford is probably going to have to lay off some people over the electric trucks. When companies start laying off stuff, interest rates are going to drop. We're all going to have to see what happens later this month with the Fed. Okay, in the past 60 years, the United States has experienced deflation only 2 times. In 2009, with the Great Recession, and in 2015, when the consumer price index barely broke below zero at 0.1%. Deflation sounds good, but deflation comes with a price. My whole point is, I think we're going to see gold and silver go up a little more. When the stock market goes up, gold and silver usually go up. When we have a crash, I predict we're going to see gold and silver go down in price, and that'll be the time to stock up on it if you have the money to hoard it. Yeah, things don't look so great right now, but everything's going to bottom out soon. I just wanted to put my prediction out there about what I think is going to happen with the economy. Yeah, I think we're going to see a downturn probably in midsummer or fall, where a stock that's worth maybe $400 today might be worth, a little less than 300. It's just like I did a video over a year ago about Nvidia versus Amazon, and I was right. Nvidia is soared. Yeah, people are saying Nvidia is still a good buy. I wouldn't buy it right now because it could get up to $700 a share, then drop down to 400. Even though Amazon came back, it's not at its all-time high before the stock split into 20 stocks. Well, let's see if I'm right about this. Figure if I do the video now and I'm right, I can say to some people, my predictions were correct. Okay, thanks and have a good night.